How to find and see spectacles on Snapchat app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just go to Snapchat app. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top corner, click on your profile. Now click on the top here on the settings option. Click on settings. Now this is simple. All what you have to do is just scroll down until you find the spectacles option. And yeah, here is it right here. Now after you find spectacles, click on it and click enable location, and you will be able to manage and see spectacles easily. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.